So the last time you were down here in the basement, that was maybe 2-3 weeks ago. If we actually look closer, I've done nothing. The nail guns are exactly left as they were for the video, just laid out there on the table, which is my last video I did down here. So I'm going to have a wee tidy up and, I don't know, just chat, I guess, if you want to listen, of me blabbling about nothing in particular. However, I do have to find a spot for these nail guns, which I don't really know where they're going to go.
Let's go and make something.
Is eventually to fully put some extra internal cladding on this back wall here, past the bandsaw, and then just in behind there. But as you can see, the house pile, a round shape, and then go to the second house pile over here, another one that's just a round pile. They will be different sizes and everything, so I've kind of got to insert a wall in between them somehow. I'm guessing I'm just going to make a frame that fits up inside it, in between them, then just clad that, leaving the exposed piles because they're different thickness. This pile here is probably 200 and that one there is 150. So there's a difference in sizing, just because that's just the way it came off the mill. Both are fine. And then you go to one over there, which is the original square one, which I believe was repiled down below. Underneath all that there, they repiled underneath it. Kind of like that one there, I believe, was the original pile. I've cut, if you actually look underneath it, I've cut it and then repiled beside it, which is fine. But when it comes to putting an internal wall on, means everything's just out of whack. So that is one of my plans, one of my future videos eventually. It's just working out how I'm going to work around some of this piping, which shouldn't be too difficult, and just the piles, and moving the bandsaw somewhere temporarily. So another project is actually to make a mailbox, replace this old one, and I'll somehow make one. Probably made out of the same material we cladded the craft room with. Guys, it looks old because it's just old and looks crummy, and we'll probably clear all this, whatever plants those are, up. The helicopter flying over. We're underneath the flight path of the rescue helicopter, and that was just the rescue helicopter going into land at the hospital. So usually means somebody has just been saved, which is a good thing, I guess. Huh. That's probably why I put it over there. It's supposed to live on that shelf there, but so I'm down on the deck, and one of my other projects that I have to do and finish is just to put the backing boards on the stairs. As you can see through them. And just to put them on, it's just a board that goes up there and across. Do that with a mixture of the nail gun and the impact driver. So that'll finish the stairs off. I mean, I don't need them by law, but it'll just tidy them up a little bit. Another project of mine is this fence. It goes all the way up our path to the main footpath. What I want to do is I want to take the top railing right off and then replace it with what we've similarly got down on the back deck, and then put some palings all the way up as well. So that way it's a little bit more consistent. Of course, as you know, I've discussed in another video, still wanting to make and attach somehow a bit of a outfeed table onto the actual table saw itself. And it goes out the back there just so that I've got a little bit of an off-feed table. Because, as you can see where the table saw is, it's kind of in a partial dugout area, and it's not actually on a concrete floor. The only concrete floor is down in the main area. Paula's father, my partner's father, my father-in-law, I guess, he put the concrete floor in here, which is awesome. It's made a big difference. Now on my old vlog, I made a unit that sat underneath the table saw, and it caught 90% of the dust and then got vacuumed away. And as you can see here, dust is just, when I forget to plug the vacuum actually in, the dust just gets thrown onto the floor here, which is no problem because it is a dirt floor, and hey, it's helping keep it dry. So one of my other project ideas is also make a similar unit to help collect the dust. That I haven't actually decided how I'm going to do. I haven't even got any ideas, but it is just an idea of what I want to do. I haven't got any idea of how I'm going to do that one, because my last table saw, which I'll have a link in the description to the blog. I think it was a blog, or was it a video? Might have just been a series of photographs, photograph blogs. The other table saw was very easy to do, and that one, just the shape of it's going to just make it a little bit more difficult. Not impossible, just more difficult to accommodate, I guess. And I just have to have it tidy up over here. I haven't been into this corner for a while, so yeah. We got more nails. Nails for the nail gun. being outside, fun. And another project is we're going to build a kind of a open-ended shed, like be just on 4 piles, basically with a roof, because this is where we store our firewood for the winter, and of course it's not undercover, so therefore it struggles keeping it dry. And at the moment we have a tarpaulin basically over it, and it's sitting on old pallets so that the air can get under it and keep it kind of dry. It works 90% of the time, but there's the odd occasion that it sort of doesn't work. So that's another project idea we've got going on the go. Most of this is requiring money, buying the wood, saving up to buy the wood, because at the moment, as I've mentioned in the past, we're wanting the house to be recladded, and that's going to be quite a mission. It's going to be a very big mission, actually. There's parts of the parts of the cladding, as you've probably spotted on the odd video, that it's starting to crack and come away. So we're just wanting to reclad it. Down here at the craft room, another wee project is just a small hand railing, just from this corner here, coming down, the same angle as the stairs, just to keep that part. We don't need it by law, but Paula wants it just for her comfort, I guess. So I do plan on doing a few more of these vlog videos just to keep you updated on what's actually happening. That's if you want to watch them, just tell me below. I know a lot of you won't want to watch them, that's fine, but I don't know what I was going to say. I'm lost for words. I'll ask the cat. What do you think? What do you think? Is that right? Okay. You know everything. And you agree. Sure. You agree. Hey, Chaos. Chaos the cat. What was I saying? Yes, I plan on doing more of these talk videos, just to keep you guys informed what's actually happening, so we can stay in touch and all the rest of it. So, and as I said, I understand a lot of you probably won't want to watch them. Few of you will, and that's fine. I'm not worried about that. So that's it for this video. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.